In a traditional org chart, the CEO is on top, then you have top management, middle management, and then all the way down. What if we turn this around? What if we turn hierarchy upside down? And we put the CEO on the bottom, then top management, middle management, and on top, the most important people are the ones that are the frontline people that work every single day with customers. What if we flip hierarchy like this? What if we make it the most important job for the CEO, top management, middle management to facilitate the frontliners to have the best possible customer experience in the world, to give them the energy to make the customers the happiest people on the planet? I truly believe if we would flip hierarchy like this, that we can create a whole new customer experience, a whole new culture where the customer is more central than ever.